Hi everyone and welcome back to God of Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to set up Instagram shop on your mobile. So first of all you have to open your Instagram, then you have to go to your profile and now click on the three lines on the top right side. So the first step is that you have to switch to professional account. So for this you have to click on account type and tools, and then you have to switch yourself to a professional account, because without professional account you cannot set up the Instagram shop. So now you have to go back. When you switch to professional account you will see professional dashboard. Here you will see the professional things that you can easily access. Then click on edit profile, and on the bottom you will see action buttons. After clicking on action buttons you will see this interface, and here you can easily set up your Instagram shop and can easily run your ads. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.